Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Malya and I am from IIPS DAVB Indore, and today I am going to teach you topics of discrete mathematics, equivalence relation, partially ordered relation and composition of relations. Equivalence relation. A relation R on a set A is said to be an equivalence when a set is symmetric, transitive and reflexive. The equivalence relation is a relation on the set which is generally represented by the symbol this. Reflexive. A relation is said to be reflexive if A comma A belongs to R for every A belongs to A. Symmetric. A relation is said to be symmetric if A comma B belongs to R and then B comma A belongs to R. Transitive. A relation is said to be transitive if A comma B belongs to R, then B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C also belongs to R. Transitive. A relation is said to be transitive if A comma B belongs to R, then B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C also belongs to R. Then let's take an example. Let's assume that F is a relation of the set R, real number defined by x f of y, if and only if x minus y is an integer. Look that F is an equivalence relation on R. Reflexive. Consider x belongs to R, then x minus x equal to 0, which is an integer. Therefore, x f of x. Symmetric. Transitive and symmetric. Symmetric. Consider x and y belongs to R and x f of y, then x minus y is an integer. Thus, y minus x equal to x minus y. That is, y minus x is also an integer. Therefore, y f of x. Transitive. Consider x and y belongs to R, x f of y and y f of z. Therefore, x minus y and y minus z equal to x minus z. According to the transitive property, x minus y plus y minus z equal to x minus z is also an integer. So that x f of z. Partially ordered relation. A relation R on a set A is called a partial ordered relation if it satisfies the following three properties. Relation R is reflexive, that is A relation A belong there for all A belongs to A. Relation R is the antisymmetric, that is A relation B and B relation A, that is A equal to B. Relation R is transitive, that is A relation B and B relation C is equal to A relation C. Let's take an example. Show whether the relation x comma y belongs to R if x is greater than and equal to y defined on the set of positive integer is a partially ordered relation. Then solution. Consider the set A 1, 2, 3, 4 containing 4 positive integers. Find the relation for this set such as R 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Reflexive. The relation is reflexive as for every A belongs to A comma I belongs to R, that is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 belongs to R. And then antisymmetric is an opposite of symmetric relation. The relation is an antisymmetric where wherever A comma B and B comma I belongs to R, we have A equal to B. Transitive. The relation is transitive as whenever A comma B and B comma C belongs to R, we have A comma C belongs to R. Composition of relation. Let A, B and C be sets and let R be a relation from A to B and let S be a relation from B to C. That is, R is a subset of A cross B and A is a subset of B cross C. Then R and S give rise to a relation from A to C indicated by R dot S and defined by A R dot S C. If for some B belongs to capital B, we have A R B and B S C is R dot S and A comma C, 3 exist, B belongs to capital B, for which A comma B belongs to R relation and B comma C belongs to S. The relation R dot S is known. The composition of R and S, it is sometimes denoted simply by RS. Let R is a relation on a set A, that is R is a relation N from A set A to itself. Then R dot R, the composition of R with itself is always represented. Also R dot R is sometimes denoted by R square. Similarly, R cube equal to R square dot R equal to R dot R and so on. Thus R to the power n is defined for all positive n. Let's take an example. Let x equal to 4, 5, 6 and y equal to a, b, c and z equal to l, 10, n. Consider the relation R1 from x to y and R2 from y to z. R1 relation 1 equal to 4, a, 4, b, 5, c, 6, a and 6, c. R2 a, 1, a, n and b, l, b, m, c, l, c, m and c, n. Find the composition of relations R1 dot R2 and R1 dot R1 minus 1. Let's solution. The composition relation R1 dot R2 as shown in figure. R1 dot R2 4, 1, 4, n, 4, n, 5, 1 and 5, m and 5, n, 6, l, 6, m and 6, n. The composition relation R1 dot R1 to the power minus 1 as shown in figure. R1 dot R1 to the power minus 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 4, 6 and 6, 6. Through these figures you can understand easily, and these figures are of R1 dot R2 and R1 dot R1 to the power minus 1. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share.